أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First of all, we have to thankful to Almighty Allah that human beings is a ashraful makhlukat all over the living things. But today I can explain regarding blue whale fish. Blue whale fish is the biggest fish in all over the world's animals. I can say everyone can be knows about whale-fed fish or not. Hopefully, uh, everyone maybe cannot knows about this biggest fish in the world, but I can introduce. Uh, hopefully, I can say blue whale fish having a biggest fish all over the world, and its weight almost 130 tons to 150 tons. Yes, brother, it is right. Blue whale fish having a lengthwise, if you can measure the blue whale fish like an adult, it can be 23 to 25 meter, means 78 feet. How? Too much height? Yes, of course. Blue whale fish having a daily food. You know how much? Oof! 15 to 17 ton per day. Yes, my friends, like that. Blue whale fish taken a food in one's time daily, one time food. We are eating 3 time and time to time waters, but this blue whale fish taken food once time, you know how much? 2.5 tons once time. Oof, Allah, that's much. Who is the responsible for the blue whale fish and other all kind of fishes are living things, including human beings and all kind of animals? You know, brothers, who is responsible? Yes, of course, only one. That name was Almighty Allah. He is the responsible for the food, for everything. In this universe, nearly 7 billions human beings living in this universe, and who is responsible for their food? Only Almighty Allah. And about elephants, lions, tigers, fox, and lot of other animals and insects, means you cannot imagine, you cannot count how much living things all over the world, even in the forest, deserts, in sea areas. Believe me, we cannot imagine, but who is the responsible for everyone? Only Almighty Allah. So we can pray to Almighty Allah. Thanks, Almighty Allah. You have given us food which our requirement per day. Inshallah ta'ala, we have to thankful to Almighty Allah. Yes, brothers, we can thankful to Almighty Allah. He is the one who created this universe in 6 days, and He is the one who can provide us each and everything for our living standards. So, me and you and everyone have to pray to Almighty Allah and say, thanks Almighty Allah, thanks Almighty Allah. Not only once. How much, whatever we can say, we can be say, Insha'Allah, Insha'Allah. He is the one who can create each and everything. No one can do anything. Inshallah, we have a belief. That belief is more powerful, and inshallah God carrying us, and we should have to pray to Almighty Allah. Thanks everybody. Thanks children. Thanks brothers, sisters, and others which I don't know, but I have to salam to everybody. Thanks very much.